Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce our final factory in Ho Chi Minh City, Xinke Tools Finland Company. The total table of contents will include the timeline of Xinke development, company overviews, sales and marketing information, key products and applications, manufacturing capacities, die casting and forging factory plan in Vietnam, quality control. Xinke is based in Wuxi Xinke Tools Manufacturing in Jiangsu Province. The key products is wood chisels, chalk reels, and chalk. And because of the two reasons, one is the young staff, few young staff willing to join the companies just as Xinke in Wuxi, so they want to seeking for some other areas can offer the very rich employment. The other issue is about the trading war between China and the United States. So in 5 years before, Xinke Tools Finland established, and 1 year later they finished the construction. But because of COVID-19, they have to delay to production starting about 2 years before. Cover wood chisels, chalk line wheel products, and this year they plus a new process die castings and a forging factory setting up in process. This is a China factory in Wuxi. Wuxi factories, we can quick reviews. They have about 141 persons. I have mentioned few young persons are willing to join the company like Wuxi, Xinke. So that's the key point. They lack of the new stuffs. They're seeking for some other areas just as Vietnam can offer very rich employment. This is a Vietnam factory. Location in Ho Chi Minh cities, they have two factories. One factory is about 12,000 square meters, cover about workshop and office. The second factory is expanded to 26,500 square meters by 3 workshop and office. The total employees about 100 persons. This is sales volumes in the past about 6 years, and looks like in the 3 years before 2020s it reached a new high. But in the 2021, it's a peak season's volumes. Last year a little bit declines. This year is almost same. It's level with last year's. This is so-called the sales breakdowns. The chalk reels and the chisels about 50% to 50%. Total volumes of $23 million last year. This is area regional shares. The main market is for North America, 60%. Stanley is his main customers. That's other reason why they were shipped from China to Vietnam, because of can be free of the duty tariff. And Asia areas, South America, Europe. Europe is their second biggest market. Stanley's Apex is his main customer from the United States. Tubers also from Mexico. These days Mexico also imposed some products on the 25% duties tariffs on products, but fortunately it's not including the hand tools. Also, we noticed CTC is also business with them, but from China via trading companies. We haven't discussed with the staff from the factories. CTC has not been asking to shipped from China to Vietnam. Kingfishers is also from Europe. These are key products: wood chisels, chalk reels, chalk. These are wood chisels applications, mainly for wooden products. The chalk reel application. This is the injection mold machines. 21 to plus 22. They have a durable colors injection available, monster capacity, like that. 3,500,000 pieces. This is plastic raw material areas and the mold storage. This is a chisel for sharp. The current capacity is monthly about 500,000 plus 600,000. This is for chalk workshop. Most of them is produced, finished in China, and sent to Vietnam. They have a package. So this product is mainly package experience, not the production experience. Maximum capacity about 500,000 pieces a month. These are 5 assembly lines plus 4 lines. The main is about 2 assembly lines. The others is meant for the promotion orders. The max capacity is 700,000 pieces per month. This is the Vietnam factory whole picture, including the package, including the injection, mold, including the stock for the raw materials and stock for the finished cargoes. We can review when we visit this factory. This is a monthly capacity review. It looks like almost the hotel from China or from the United States, from China or from Vietnam. They have a very big, close to 50% open capacities, whatever for chisels, for chalk products. So just as before, we have visited or we will visit the factory, they have a very open space, potential space to accept more orders. This also means the chisels capacities is also really open, more than 50%. The chisel products range from Stanley from the world, many key customers. This is the production in China, from China to Vietnam. Before these years, and they only can this in green square they have to produce in China, but after they invest the forming and the heat treatment process. From this year, they can produce this red square process and the whole red square in Vietnam. Only they need to purchase the raw material steel bar from China. That's a big change for them for this year. This is a chalk reel products range: plastic, die casting chalk reel. It's also almost same. Before and in China, they can produce line hardware belt in China. In Vietnam, they can plastic component inject and packaging and shipment. So they can get to the CEO in Vietnam. That's what the plastic chalk is. But fundamental chalk line is really change. Before they have to purchase the raw materials and the products line filled hardware die casting case in China. But because this year they invest in a new process for die casting case, so from this year they can produce this process in Vietnam to ensure they can get the whole COO in Vietnam. This is an equipment list, including die casting products 10 sets, and the short blastings, CNC machine centers we can visit when dispatching to check the production status. This is their wide casting factory plans. About more than 1 year before, they have infrastructure constructions, equipment purchasings, and from in July 5th they have trial run, but now they can go into the massive production. This is the factory layout, including tooling rooms, spare parts areas, storage areas, finish cargoes areas, raw material areas, tools areas, tool storage areas. They almost copy the experience from Wuxi to Vietnam. This is for the target product of die casting factory. They have as we know, they have an open or to reach huge open capacity in plastic injections. So by the die casting community, we have to develop some new products, including die casting products, injection and machinery. The target price range from chalk line wheels, utility line knife, and die casting components. Particularly for this knife, they have tried to get the mold and to couple with new customers while overseas. This is a Vietnam walking factory plans. Die walking hammers, walking lines, sewing lines. Screw press, folding lines, 2 lines, and we can check when we visit this factory. For the folding factory schedules, now they are also under the trial run. They cannot be a massive productions, but in the near future, we hope and we believe they can do that. This is target products for folding factories to try to, such as hammers, rackings, pillars, and it can be produced, but not the final products as of the hammers. They just use their folding process to combine the other process to be a final product in hammer, but they don't produce hammer as a final products. This is a function statement for QC, EQA and IQC, and QE. They are the facilities for the lab and the quality control flow chart. This is certification they have got. Both factories, whatever from China and Vietnam, have got the ISO certification, and the SEDEX just like that, just as this social responsibility license. This is the social responsibilities awards. In Vietnam, they got the Standard Black Deck Special Quality Award, which means the quality QC process is sound. Thank you so much. And finally, we have compared their cost against from Vietnam against to China. Looks like about 8% difference between Vietnam and China. Of course, Vietnam is much more higher than China by 8%. That's all for today. Thank you so much for your time. See you tomorrow.